Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng reading for the month of October. Okay, so this reading is for the month of October and pwedeng alamin natin kung ano yung mga mga posibilidad na pwede mangyari for Pisces for the month of October using tarot cards and ang ating angel oracle cards. Kuha tayo ng bonus cards. For us to know kung ano yung magiging advice, gabay, mensahe ng angel mo for the month of October. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So, pwede mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. Okay? And ang mga energies na lalabas dito ay pwedeng sa'yo or pwedeng sa taong dinidil mo, especially for the month of October. Okay? And ang ating channel, always kong sinasabi po na welcome po ang lahat ng gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT man, yung nanonood, or yung mga taong dinidil. Take nyo lang basta mag-resonate. Pag hindi, huwag pong ipilit. Okay? So, shuffle din natin itong Angel Oracle cards natin. And kuha tayo mamaya for the bonus cards. Okay? Okay, so, ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces? For the month of October, merong lumabas na apat. Okay, so 7 of Wands, Knight of Wands, 7 of Cups, and the Justice. So, pwede you're dealing with the Libra sign, Pisces, or pwede you're dealing with the fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Bottom of the deck is Queen of Swords. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially feminine. Okay? So, kuha din tayo ng Angel Oracle cards. Kung ano po yung advice or mensahe ng angel mo for the month of October. Forgiveness and there's something better. Okay, so there's a moving on. There's something na pwedeng magpatawad and meron pang mas maganda para sa'yo, Pisces. Listen to your intuition and reconsider. Okay, you have to reconsider, Pisces, and recovery. Bottom of the deck is recovery. Okay, so, konektado itong recovery and there's something better. So, sa nararamdaman ko, there is something na moving on and forgiving a person. It depends kung ano man yung nangyari. Especially, meron tayo ditong 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands and forgiveness. Okay, so, medyo mabigat itong card na ito, pero it happens for a reason. Okay? So, pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, meron kang blinak na tao, meron kang hindi kinausap, meron kang binigyan ng boundaries, okay? Or pwedeng ito yung taong gumawa sa'yo. Okay? Hindi mo na to makontak itong taong to. Or pwedeng makontak mo pero hindi na ganun ka-strong. Okay? So, pwedeng ito yun. This person is, or ikaw to, Pisces, kailangan mo itong gawin and you have to forgive. Forgive this person and forgive yourself. You have to forgive something para makita mo itong mas magandang opportunity, mas magandang love, mas magandang situation in life. There is something better for you to receive. Okay? You have to forgive. Pwedeng nanghingi sila ng forgiveness, pwede ding hindi. As long as you have to forgive for your own sake, Pisces. And kung ano man, kung ikaw man to, gawin mo kung ano yung feeling mo makakapag benefit sa'yo. Okay? Protektahan mo yung sarili mo, protektahan mo yung peace of mind, protektahan mo yung mga bagay na importante sa'yo. Okay? And you have to put yourself first, Pisces, before ka lumingon sa ibang tao, before ka tumulong sa ibang tao, unahin mo muna yung sarili mo. And pwedeng there's a blocking, restriction, pwedeng sa social media, okay, or pwedeng sa in person. Okay? And Knight of Wands, there's something better na darating. Kitang-kita niyo meron tayo ditong angel na there's something better. And Knight of Wands, etong taong to, or pwedeng, kung hindi man to literal na tao, pwedeng ito ay sitwasyon sa buhay, okay? And meron siyang hawak na wands, and yung wands niya is meron ng mga dahon. So, there is something na parang new beginning, okay? Or pwedeng magpro-progress into a better, beautiful situation. Okay, and there is something better. This card connected as a better situation, Pisces. Okay, so you have to be decisive kasi meron tayo ditong Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is a strong personality, strong energy. Okay? Kumbaga, this person, kahit babae to siya, hindi po literal na, hindi po like specific babae lang. Okay? Pwedeng ito ay, pwede din sa lalaki, pwede din sa LGBT. Okay? Wala po tayong gender specific. So, there's a feminine energy na Queen of Swords na, he or she puts her foot down. Okay? Binigyan niya ng konkretong solusyon, konkretong decision sa kung naman yung nangyari dito. Especially meron tayo dito 7 of Wands. Okay? So, pwedeng ito yung naging decision. Ito yung naging, ito yung ginawa mo, Pisces, na kung saan ito yung decision, ito yung effect. Okay? Kailangan mo itong gawin for you to receive this Knight of Wands na darating sa'yo. Okay, so there's a Queen of Swords, napaka-strong, or kailangan mong ganito yung energy mo, Pisces. Kailangan mong maging decisive, kailangan mong gawin kung ano yung mas makakabuti sa'yo. Okay, and 7 of Cups. Unahin mo yung mga bagay na importante, unahin mo yung mga bagay na pinapanalangin mo lang dati, unahin mo yung mga bagay na inaasam-asam mo. Okay? It's for your own good, Pisces. As I said kanina, tulungan mo muna yung sarili mo before ka tumulong sa ibang tao. Okay? 7 of Cups, this card represents as manifestations, dreams, okay? Kasi nakikita nyo meron ditong ulap and merong mga cups. Okay, so ito yung mga bagay na gusto mong makuha, gusto mong makamit, okay? Or pwede ding merong connection ito sa sa panaginip. Okay? So, pwede meron kang napanaginipan, Pisces, and kung naalala mo yon, maybe there's a sign. Maybe there's a deeper meaning behind of it. Kasi, ang kasunod nito is listen to your intuition. Panaginip and listen to your intuition. Kung ano yung napanaginipan mo, Pisces, makinig ka. Pakinggan mo. Okay? Kumbaga, mag-ask ka ng sign sa Panginoon, sa angel mo, kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin nun. Or pwede you can search online kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng panaginip na yun. Okay? So, pwedeng there's a panaginip na involved and listen to your intuition. Listen always to your intuition, Pisces. Kasi yun yung parang sign, warning ng angel mo, ng universe, ng Panginoon na kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Listen to your intuition. Listen to your gut feeling. Makinig ka sa kutob mo. Okay? And pwede meron itong connection sa panaginip. And reconsider something. Pwedeng ito ay nakikita nyo justice. This card, pag ito lumabas, everything will fall into place, everything will be fixed, okay? And ito kasi para siyang word na karma. Okay, hindi na bad karma na sana ganun yung mangyari hindi, wag ganun, okay? So, everything will fall into place. Kung ano yung ginawa mo, babalik sa'yo. Okay, and everything will be fixed, everything will be okay, everything will be, kumbaga, let the universe work for it. Okay? You don't have to control the situation, Pisces. Kasi, kontrolado ng Panginoon, kontrolado ng universe, kung ano man yung nangyari dito. And as long as you have to be decisive, panindigan mo kung ano yung nararapat, ano yung mga bagay na makakabuti sa'yo. Okay? Kung it may take as a blocking situation, restriction, kung naman ignoring, gawin mo. Okay? And reconsider. You have to reconsider something. Isipin mo muna yung mga bagay na importante. Kasi, kumbaga marami kang cups, Pisces. Marami kang cups na kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin. Hindi lang isa. Okay, so you have to reconsider the situation and believe in the process. Believe in God. Everything will be okay. Okay, and recovery. Recovery for something na kung ano yung nangyari, magiging maayos, magiging mabuti. Again, everything will be fixed. Everything will be okay. There is something better na darating sa'yo. Recovery. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initial spices or random words kung ano yung konektado sa reading natin ngayon. So, meron tayo dito letter U, Y, S, and letter N. Okay. So, meron din tayo may kulay ang buhok. So, pwede ikaw, Pisces, ang may kulay ang buhok or siya, or yung taong dinidil mo, short hair, anak, pwede merong involved na anak, chinito, chinita, matangos ang ilong, flowers. So, pwede merong involved na flowers, or pwedeng sign yung flowers, okay, dark hair, and city. Okay? So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang reading for the month of October. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel na Pisces Hub and ang ating isang channel na Gel Tarot Guide na makikita po sa description box below. Okay? Click nyo lang po yung link dyan sa baba and mapupunta po kayo doon sa YouTube na Gel Tarot Guide. Okay? And huwag nyo din po sanang kalimutan, Pisces, na i-click yung notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa mga susunod nating uploads. So, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!